Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the ears. It is a step-by-step tutorial and I'll say the procedure for giveaway. So watch this video fully friends so you never miss out any procedure for the giveaway. Let's get started. First of all, grab your ruler and pencil. I'm going to use this 0.5 lead pencil with HB leads and draw a simple rectangle. So it don't want to be in any dimension, it want to be a simple rectangle as I'm drawing, and draw a D, obviously the alphabet D. That will be the basic shape for your drawing, and add the details by seeing the reference picture carefully. Each and everything is very important in outlines because outlines are so important for realistic drawings. If you are a beginner artist, you might feel it is so hard, but believe me, it is so easy. Practice 3 or 4 times before using this method in the drawing and you could feel it is very easy. And you can see I'm just completed the outlines right here. You can take a screenshot and try this picture out, so it will be so easy to follow. Friends, let me show you how to shade a realistic ears now. I'm drawing another right now and I'm going to shade it with using an HB, 2B, 4B and then 6B pencil. You don't want all the grades. If you have any 3 grades of these pencil, it is okay for you. First, shade a basic layer of HB pencil and blend it with the blending tool you are having. My personal suggestion is to use an blending stump because it is very easy to blend. Then grab your 2B pencil and start adding the second layer. Obviously this will be somehow darker than the first layer. And friends, I had said that I'll be saying some procedure for this giveaway. So friends, I'll be selecting 2 winners for our giveaway because we had recently crossed 600 and 700 subscribers right yesterday and today. I'm so happy with that and I'm so thankful for you all. It is all because of you and you had shown an insane love on me and my drawings. Thank you so much for that. This word is not sufficient for your love, but I didn't have any other words to say. And friends, I'm going to draw 2 person and that will be 2 winners on my next giveaway. So friends, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you not yet done it, and leave a comment of your Instagram username or your email ID. So that's the way I could communicate to you and get your picture for drawing. That's it friends, I'll be adding this procedure to the description, so if you're not clear with it, you can see the description and make sure you are clear. And if you have any doubts, ask on the comment section, and hope you guys participate in the giveaway. And friends, you know one thing, for the past month our channel had done very slow growth and I had received only 2 or 3 subscribers per video, and I'm so sad because of that. And even some subscribers are gone from our family. I don't know why, but that is the real truth. But within these 2 days we had received more than 100 subscribers and crossed the 600 and 700 subscribers count, and that's why I'm now giving 2 giveaway in a single video. Hope you guys will be participating in the giveaway, and let's see the winners on Friday. Friends, so if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family. Here I'm having a lot of videos right in the video section, you can watch it. And we had completed the video. Hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share to your friends. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family. Thanks for watching friends. See you.